Yeah, no, I like that one. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so this is what I got for the photo shoot later. But we gotta cut it. This is really long. Okay, so how long do we want?
Come and seek on in it by the warm fire.
Pretty, like right here maybe. I'm trying to convince her to let me stay in sweats, but I don't think she's gonna go for it. She wants me to be more slutty than that. So we ended up finding another person to come and do the photo shoot for us last minute, so it's super cool. Them and Caitlin are doing some pictures right now for like modeling stuff, and then we're gonna change and then head over and then do some more spooky stuff. I just posted the pictures that we took from our night out, and they look like super freaking cool. So like we decided to be clowns when we went out, so we could like keep it in the whole like it theme. That one was mine that I did. And it was really cool because we could use the house, since the house looks crazy. They're down on the porch doing something. I'm gonna see if I can spy on them. Oh, there they are. I'm gonna leave them alone so they can focus and do their thing. And change into my dead little boy who gets his arm ripped off it costume. We found it, the spot. This is so creepy. This is scary. We're finding a spot to do our photo shoot. This is our photographer. It's Caitlin.
In the valley, I was high, you were curious. 2 a.m. snuck inside, I wanted it so badly. My eyes locked on your lips, hands tight round your hips.
Erin! Jesus, you got me running. You know I don't like to run.
I don't wanna hurt you, but I think it's best.
Like kind of hide it, like kind of make
I don't deserve you. I just found out that you belong to another guy.
So Justin is on his way home right now, and we are going to hide in these boxes and scare him when he walks in the door. Okay, so he's gonna probably walk straight in here, and we're gonna be hiding in these boxes. These are they're not taped on the bottom. Can you see if that other one's taped?
This one's taped.
This one's half taped. It looks bigger on the outside.
Yeah. How is this gonna work?
I don't know.
Scrunch up. What are you
I
doing?
can sit down, but it won't be able to pop up. You know?
Try it.
Like if I sit
Practice.
Now I'm like, we could just.
Oh. Okay, I have an idea.
Like do it like. Oh.
And then he's gonna walk in, and then we'll be like,
Yeah. Help me. Okay. He's almost here.
are you hiding?
Not yet. But make sure you're not like on it to where you can't stand up quick. Wow! It's coming. Got him. Woo!
You guys waited all day for that?
Yeah.
You got any like, oh. Come and seek on in it by the warm fire. If you want, you've paid it. Breathing pressure for a pink sky, enough for wet eyes.
Get them. You don't like that? He has so much energy, so I just let him off the leash and he's running so fast. Yo, hey, bye. Okay, bye. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh my God, is that snow on the ground? That is literally snow on the ground. Maddie, come here. There's snow on the ground. Hello. Hola. Bonjour. Today is a beautiful day. It's very cold. It's like 50, but it feels really good. Yes, I'm wearing this yellow rain jacket. I'm going to a Halloween party. Hey, cállate. It is Halloween. I'm back home. I'm back home for maybe like a few days. I think I'm going to drive back to Dallas because we entered a contest to win tickets to Post Malone's Posty Fest in Dallas, and Caitlin's boyfriend won, and I think he's gonna go home for the weekend, so that means I get the extra ticket. So I'm probably gonna drive back up there this weekend. It's a 4-hour drive, but you know what? I think it's worth it because Post Malone's gonna be there. Jaden Smith is gonna be there. Oh my God, I'm gonna die there because I'm gonna be so happy. So yeah, the weather's good. The sky is blue. La terre est bon, la ciel est bleu, but everything is very cool. Literally, I'm freaking cold. Y'all ready? Look, guys. Say hi. Oh, you want to go in because you ain't got no hair. So, like I said, I'm on my way to a Halloween party. I'm going to kind of be working, taking pictures. I've been doing this newsletter for this company for the past few years. I do it like once a month. They invite me to every meeting, every month, and I never go. The only times that I ever go is to like the Christmas parties, so I can get drunk after with them. It's a Halloween party. It sounds fun. I'm in town, so why not? It's gonna be really fun. I'm basically just gonna take pictures and get drunk. Two things that I'm pretty good at. Tweedledum, Tweedledum. Oh. Hey, Yogi! Hey, Duncan, look! Jackpot. This is so cute. It's cold.
It's cold for this time of year.
Cute. No. All right, Ed Sheeran. You have to sing Ed Sheeran.
Loving can hurt. Yeah, loving can hurt.
Encore. We're walking through a cemetery. It's very spooky. You know, Halloween is the one day that the dead can come to life and walk the earth. Your face.
Now this is nice. This is the kind I want.
You want this? Would you want to be buried with Dad? Like forever? Because that is some serious commitment. Yo. No, it's just look how old this is.
He was only 25. He was your age.
He was very handsome. What happened, Herman? She's like, I want to look up these people. How did you die? We could come back at night and you could ask them. Mutter and Butter. Where are we? Wiederstein. Like Wiederstein Road. All of these names have like, they're like city and road names that we have. Yeah. This one is where we're from. Shirts. Represent. Cut off that demonetization. Wait, I don't know the way. I'm following my mom, but I'm like in the lead, so I'm basing it off of her blinkers. We got some coffee and we are headed to my brother's football game. I haven't been to a single football game. Yes, I'm a terrible sister, and it's supposed to get really cold tonight, which I'm excited about because it's like 56 right now, and it feels great, but the warmth of the sun is making me a little bit too warm. Yeah. I immediately take back everything that I said before. About what? I was wrong. I'm sorry. We're doing acid. Your video.
Can't do anything in front of him.
There he is, running. Oh. Oh my god, he just pushed somebody. Yes! Wait, no! No! I was shouting yes for Jake, but then I didn't realize that one of our teammates got pushed down. Okay. Put you on a cake plate. Hi, Maddie! Here, say hello, but don't get your hair on me. Say bye, thanks for watching. Goodbye. First, look at these. Brownies. And these cupcakes.
You want some or what? Dobby?
Does Dobby want some chicken? Well, it's Halloween night. No one's here. Joey's working. Jacob's
Partying.
doing drugs.
No, he's not.
So, we're gonna watch some scary movies. No one comes to trick or treat here because they don't like us.
No, it's because the houses are too far apart.
Let's eat candy and watch scary. Watch. What's it called? What's it called? What's it called? What's it called?
American Horror Story.
American Horror Story. And Chinese food. And that's gonna be the end of
A perfect Halloween.
a perfect. But I feel like since I didn't do something very monumental for the end of Halloween, enjoy this video from last year of Caitlin and Jacob. Roll it.